Every profession is becoming a media profession today. The brands we trust, the startups we admire, and the leaders we follow all have one thing in common. They know how to communicate ideas through compelling stories. That's why digital media is no longer a niche skill. It's a career advantage. Hi, I'm Abhishek Amit Singh, Creative Head of Media at the Pune Institute of Business Management. Welcome to the PIBM Media Lab. One question students often ask me is, will AI replace careers in media?
AI is going to take over those jobs like lightning.
If there are no jobs, then humans won't be needed.
Information services shedding 11,000.
Laying off employees in the AI.
My answer is simple. AI can generate content, but it can't replace creativity, strategy, perspective, and genuine human connections. The future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to creators who know how to work with AI to bring bigger ideas to life. PIBM Media Lab is a future-ready creative ecosystem for a world where communication, creativity, and storytelling are becoming essential in every profession. More than a studio, we envisioned a creative hub where students, faculty, industry experts, innovators, entrepreneurs, and artists bring their ideas to life and share them with the world. Here, students don't just learn media, they create it. They host podcasts, conduct interviews, build personal brands, produce content, and collaborate on real-world projects. Because in today's world, communication isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. So let me leave you with a question. What do you think is the most valuable skill in the age of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon at the PIBM Media Lab.